Hey guys, so today is our wedding anniversary and we're gonna celebrate it without the kids, just two of us. So we're gonna take a video kasi sinabihan ako kagabi ni Ate Maxine na take a video kasi she wanna watch it. So hi Ate Maxine and Maurice, behave.
Ballet party.
So, nawawala yung entrance, guys. And hi guys, we're here. We're gonna go down. Hi, we're here now. After maligaw. Is it 31st? Oo nga, 31st. Here, the list. Hey, ang ganda dito. So, ito yung sinasabi. Ito yung nakita ko sa Facebook, guys. Na spot na gusto ko talaga. Sabi ko kay Daddy. Yung request niya, pero ito pala talaga yung napa-reserve ni Daddy. Here's the city view. Di ba ang ganda? And so, order muna kami ng food namin. Let's see. Dad. Sobrang ganda ng view. And my view, I love you.
Bistro steak. May kasama na ba siya sa'yo?
Wala.
Wala. Dalawang bistro steak. Creamy spinach. Mashed potato.
How about for the Danny software steaks?
Ha?
Danny software steak, how would you like it to be cooked?
Medium rare.
Medium rare. Parehas.
Parehas. Tapos classic.
Sobrang hangin dito. So, bumaba muna si Daddy kasi kinuha na yung cellphone niya sa car na iwan niya. Let's wait. And naka-order na rin. 15 to 20 minutes yung waiting time. Super ganda ng view, guys. Kasi, look at that. So, maybe soon, sila Maxine naman and Maurice, i-date ni Daddy. Sa papa. Ito. Sakto.
Bakit?
Nagsasabihin mo kasi ako dito.
Ay, so dear.
Flower. Saan ko binili ito? Ha?
Crepe.
Sa baba? May hindi na po sa baba? Ha?
Nasa sasakyan yan eh.
Sa likod?
Yeah.
Saan binili? Kanina, kamalis ka.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Dad.
Check for your flowers.
Thank you. Flowers si Daddy.
Yung matagal ka in-order yun. Kaya na din
Oo,
niligo.
ah.
Yung naligo after mong maligo. Tapos sabi mo, ano yan? Kami nare-receive ako doon sa labas.
Talaga? Hindi ko alam na nare-receive ka.
Diba ako si Maurice? Sabi mo, ano yan?
Ang naisip ko nun, may order na Shopee. Thank you, Dad. Guys, may pa-flower. May pa-flower si Daddy. Thank you, Dad. Ganda. Sakto pink. Thank you, Daddy. Saan ka kumuha ng pera? Ano? Saan ka kumuha ng pera? Thank you. Happy anniversary, Dad. Ang ganda.
Bistro steak, medium rare with creamy spinach on the side.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Order is complete.
Mami.
Good. So, this is medium rare steak. Parehas naming order. And then, kay side dish is kay Daddy is mashed potato. And akin is creamy spinach. So, let's go eat. Let's go. And Ate Maxine, here's Daddy enjoying his medium rare steak. Oh. And doon naman kay Mommy, steak. And here, creamy spinach. What can you say to Ate Maxine?
Love you, ate. At saka pa din sa mga.
Wow. And Maurice.
Maurice, ito siyempre pag lang ni Maurice.
Eh, happy anniversary, Dad. Happy so much. I'm so happy. Hindi wala na. The flower. Hindi ko kasi na-expect to, guys. Kasi nga, lahat naman ng pera niya na sa akin. So, hindi ko alam kung saan siya kumuha. Tingnan mo, pangiting-ngiti. Hindi ko alam paano siya. Oh, super cute. Pink. Anong story? Bakit pink?
Carnation. So, good for anniversaries.
Perfect. And then steak na sobrang bigat. Grabe. Pero sobrang sarap. Sobrang worth it. And Caesar salad. Ang bigat sa tiyan.
Just
Thank you, Viveray.
Viveray.
Thank you.
Sa Latin,
Oh,
Viveray. Pero pag Italian, Viveray.
okay. Pagka Filipino.
Vivere. Okay.
Okay, go.
Let's take the first bite.
Hindi ko naman na-expect yun. Hindi siya super tamis. Ang sarap. Super sarap ng food nila. Okay, so we're done eating and nag-fill out lang si Daddy ng feedback or survey. Sabi ko sa kanya, no improvement is needed here kasi everything is perfect. The place, food, super sarap. I swear. Thank you for today, love. Thank you. So that's all for tonight, guys.